Hey guys, it's just me. I found this gun. It's buzzbee, and I don't know why, but I bought it. It's pretty cool because this is the clip, and this is the gun. And it's pretty much like a shotgun. It holds at least 11 bullets at a time. And it's kind of weird because it's kind of like a silent fight. Kind of. I don't know. And yeah. And that's what it looks like inside. And yeah. So it says Buzzbee Toys, but I don't know what it copies, but I know that that buzzbee copies Nerf, and so I guess I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, but you can't see. I know that, but I got the long strike. And I have a clip, but it doesn't have any bullets. It's this clip. It's just a little clip. Barrel. Shotgun. And I lost almost all my bullets for this, and I have about 2 left. I'm not really that good with the bullets because they're easier to lose. And yeah. So yeah.